Hello, and thank you for stopping by. If you've just come from a presentation or an event, I'd like to thank you so much for spending some time with me and taking time out to learn about trust-based nervous system regulation. If we have never met, well, my name is Maestra. That just means teacher in Spanish. Wyzdom DVine. I'm a trauma-informed spiritual coach, educator, and spiritual healer. My work bridges nervous system science with compassionate spiritual care, such as traditional shamanic journeying, energy healing, and ceremony without the use of psychedelic substances to help women rebuild trust in themselves, their bodies, and their support systems. Healing doesn't have to be another responsibility on your already full plate. In fact, I believe that it should help you carry less, not ask you to carry more. If you're interested in learning more, I've created 2 simple ways that we can stay connected. If you are wanting to get some ongoing encouragement, practical nervous system tools, then I'd love to welcome you into my email community, The Weaving. When you join, you'll receive my free gentle morning ritual to help you begin building a more trusting relationship with your nervous system. And if you're feeling like you could use more personal support, something one-on-one, I'd love to invite you to schedule a free 15-minute heart-to-heart. It's simply a chance for us to meet, hear a little bit about your story, answer your questions, and explore whether working together feels like the most aligned next step. Thank you again for stopping by. Whether we work together or not, I hope that you leave with the embedded knowledge that you don't have to carry everything alone. There are many wonderful people out there to support you. May you continue becoming safe enough to receive the same care, compassion, and support that you freely offer everyone else. I hope our paths cross again soon. Thank you.